Welcome to Dishing Delights. My name is Jenica and today I'm going to share with you a little what I eat in a day. Let's get into it. So it is 10:53 right now and I have not ate today. I have been up since 5 a.m. editing, so I need to eat something. I think I'm just going to do some blueberries, cottage cheese right now. I have my water and my coffee, and this coffee just is black coffee. And this will be like my first breakfast, and then I might make some eggs later. I'm not sure, but I'll take you along. And these are already washed. I do not like my fruit and cottage cheese to touch. So that is meal number 1, and I'll see you when I make my next meal or snack. My husband is home for lunch, so I'm going to bake this chicken that I seasoned up yesterday. And then I'll probably make a salad with this. I'm just taking this marinated chicken, and I have already had this air fryer preheating. I'm just going to cook these at 370 degrees until they're cooked through. I'll flip these after about 5 minutes. Alright, I have about a half a cup of water in here. And I'm going to add in some of my pre-cooked rice. Just going to let this steam for a bit. There's our chicken, cooked in less than 10 minutes, flipping it halfway through. And we have our rice. And this is what I'm having for lunch. Just carrots, 4 ounces of chicken breast, and 1 cup of rice. Oops. Probably shouldn't have my credit card on the counter. It is 2:39 p.m. and I'm going to have a banana for a snack. It is Friday, so that means it's pizza night. I have my mozzarella cheese. I just cut up some chicken breast. It's just me for the night, so I'm going to make like a spinach mushroom pizza thing. I was going to put some barbecue sauce on it, but because it's just me, I'm going to keep it like a veggie pizza. And I did just wash these mushrooms. Going to break these up into little pieces. Just because I'm not going to cook them. I'm just going to keep them raw. And then I have this spinach that I'm just going to cut into ribbons. I don't mind the stems, so I'm just going to cut those with it as well. And then I'm just gonna stand here and eat spinach by the handful. Alright, the oven needs to heat up, so it'll probably be about 8 to 10 minutes, and then we'll be ready to roll out our dough. Alright, let's do this. First I'm gonna take a little bit of flour. All right, just make sure to lift up perfect. I got flour everywhere. All right, we're gonna add some cornmeal to the bottom. I've got to make this quick. So I'm gonna turn you just a little bit. Ah! Ah! I don't think I'm quick enough. All right, I'm not adding any sauce to this. This is 8 ounces of cheese. We're making it extra cheesy. I'm going to do half of it on the bottom. Add all of that spinach and mushrooms. All of that chicken. Well, maybe not all of it. About 4 ounces of chicken. Actually, this is 6 ounces of cheese. I think I said 8 ounces. And this is fully loaded. I'm going to add this in the oven for about 12 minutes. Oh yes, baby. And I'm mad because I can only eat 2 pieces. Ooh, this looks amazing. Okay, I gotta get a better picture. Look at that. Yum. What am I doing? There we go. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna cut into it now. Now someone said do not add too much spinach because it might get a little bit watery. And it looks like it may have I don't know. I don't mind, so. All right, I have my ranch and my 2 pieces of pizza. And that is what's for dinner. And I'll probably eat all these leftovers throughout the week. All right, so I'm going to save these and it'll be 3 more meals. At least 3. Because this was a pretty hefty dinner. It is 8:30. I'm listening to Emily D. Baker's podcast. I'm going to have a banana. And that will be it for the What I Eat in a Day. Good morning. It is 8:24. I have slept in. So I am going to make myself a coffee. I'm going to make myself a cup of coffee. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like What I Eat in a Day, let me know. I've never done one of these before, have I? No, I've never done one of these before. So I kind of liked it. You guys kept me company. Maybe I could like answer some questions in the next one. So maybe I'll do more of these. It was really fun to like have you come along through my whole entire day. All right, I'm gonna go brush my teeth, then drink some coffee, and then I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.